Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify a Zoho domain using the easy method. This is a great way to confirm your website name on your setup so your business email system can start working perfectly. Let's get into it. First, search for your custom address. The first step is to open the main shopping tool for website names and type in the exact phrase you want to use for your business handle. Open your web browser, head to the store layout, and inside Zoho by a domain site, type in your custom domain in the domain search box. Review the list of available names that show up on your screen to find the extension that matches your company layout. Because you need an active name registered to your profile before you can link any mail features, you have to use this search screen so the system can check which names are free to buy. Without this step, you wouldn't have a custom address to attach to your inbox files. Next, claim your selected name. You need to choose your favorite address from the search list and move forward to the checkout page to secure it. Look closely at the available price lists, find the one you prefer, and click Get This to proceed with your order. Follow the checkout screens to enter your details and complete the ownership paperwork. Because clicking this button locks the name so nobody else can take it while you are setting up your profile, by processing this purchase, you officially register the address under your personal name. It ensures that the network assigns the master control keys straight to your account. Next, open your mail dashboard. Now that you own your custom name, you need to sign in to your main communication panel where your daily inbox messages live. Open a new browser tab. Log in to your Zoho Mail dashboard, click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Wait for the quick drop-down account panel to open up, showing your main user details. By opening your private user panel, you reveal the deeper business setup toggles that stay hidden from the public view. It is the key step to getting the right output because it lets you transition your account from a personal profile to a professional setup. Finally, enable mail hosting to finish. The final step is to click the activation button inside your user menu to officially attach your purchased website address to your inbox system. Look at the options inside your drop-down list and select Enable Mail Hosting to complete your email setup. Follow the final on-screen confirmation boxes to let the system link your name files in the background. Because it triggers the computers to connect your new shop address straight to your incoming message folder. Once you turn on this hosting button, your email system is fully active and you can start sending and receiving letters under your brand name. And that's pretty much it. To verify Zoho domain, you must first type your custom domain into the search box on the store site. Then you find the one you prefer and click Get This to claim it. Next, you log into your mail dashboard and click your profile icon. Finally, you select Enable Mail Hosting to finish your setup. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.